I'm going to tell you everything you could possibly want to know about this DREO turbo fan. I've been testing this out for about 2 weeks now. This thing is the real deal. We have over 12 DREO fans. I've never really seen a DREO fan just like this with all the features it has. I'm going to tell you 3 things you need to know about this thing before you even consider buying it. So let's just get into it. So right off the bat, it is 42 inches high. To get this set up, you're gonna have a base right over here. It's gonna come two pieces right over here. You're gonna screw this nut off, put the base on just like that, and screw this, make sure it's tight, you're good to go. Super simple, takes literally maybe a minute to get that set up, situated. This comes with a remote right over here. It is battery operated. It comes with 2 AAA batteries, so you don't even need any batteries, which is great. This oscillates 150 degrees, which is kind of crazy. So it really covers a huge amount, and this could reach up to 34 feet away. So another thing about this, one of the 3 things you need to know is this is an indoor-outdoor fan. So this has the ability to go outside and it's weather resistant, so you don't have to worry about that, or it could stay inside. It also has a mist feature right over here, which we will talk about later. You can connect this to an app as well, which is really nice. And then you have the ability to move this fan wherever you want. So let's take a look at this remote right over here. So one of the cool things about this that I've never really seen before in a fan is usually what you have to do is you have to oscillate it. So you can see here it says 90, 120, and if you want 150, you could go with 150 or you could go to 0. So what usually happens is when you oscillate it, you have to stop it right there and then it stays in that position. With this, you could literally just move this all the way around and put it in whatever position you want to put it in. I've never really seen this on a fan before. Really like that feature a lot. We got 12 different speeds on this thing, and we have 4 modes. We have standard mode, misting mode, eco mode, which is energy efficient, and then we have your sleep mode right over here. So you can control it with this. It does come with this. We've used this a good bit. This is the misting nozzle. We will get to that in a little bit. So let's take a quick look up top right over here. So this is how you control it from up over here. So you have 3 different ways to control this. To set this the app up, you're just gonna hold this rotation button down for 5 seconds and it will do it. This is gonna put it in mist mode. This changes all the different modes right in the middle, and this will put your speed up and down, the plus or minus. You have a nice little handle on the back over here, so you could easily pick this up. This is not heavy at all, and it is super sturdy. It has a weighted base. We have a dog when we have this in our living room, and we also put it on our outdoor patio. When it's sunny, he cannot knock this over. It's super stable, so we like that. Now, in terms of mist mode. So if you want to set up the mist mode, then I'll show you the app in 1 second. You take this right over here. You're going to hook this piece into the back over here, and you're going to hook this up to a hose nozzle. Why I like this a lot is you don't need to rely on a water tank, and you don't have to worry about filling it up constantly. You could literally hook this up to your hose and you'll have a constant mist. Now, this mist, so these are the 2 misters right on top right over here. That's exactly what they look like. These things shoot very far. You should not be using mist mode in the house. This is an outdoor feature only on the mist mode. It could shoot pretty far away. Which is nice. They also give you extra, we haven't had to use them yet, but they give you extra nozzles for the mister. You literally just have to unscrew these and you are good to go. And now, so once you have the app, one of the cool parts about the app right over here, you see you have the tower fan. If you have other DREO fans, you'll see we have 6 smart ones. We have 6, I guess, dumb ones all over the house as well. So for this right over here, one of my favorite features, then we'll get into some of the other ones, is you could set a schedule. So if you wanted this to, if you had this in a room, or outside, you're like, I want this to shut off at 8 p.m. No problem. You don't have to go back outside and shut this off. We'll talk about this light in just a second. It does not stay on, so don't worry about that. Right over here, we have the modes right over here. So if you wanted to change this up, you could do standard, custom. You could do a sleep mode, which turns it into a little quieter. This fan is super quiet. Natural mode, really, really cool. It emulates a breeze. So it's really, so imagine like the best breeze you've ever had, comes in hard, slows down, and then it starts all over again. So you have that function as well. The light right over here, you could see up there, you could turn that on and off, and you could do whatever you want with that. There's also some other features with that. This also will turn off after about a minute or 30 seconds or so. So if you want to put this in your bedroom, you don't have to worry about looking at a light or anything like that, since it will shut off. And then you could do oscillations, whatever oscillation you want, and whatever you set. So when you set a schedule on this, you can say, I want it in natural mode at 8 o'clock. And then it just does that. So it's not like you could just turn it on. You could turn it on in specific settings as well. This is super portable. Love the fact, one of my favorite features, honestly, is being able to move this and stop it wherever I want. I've never seen a fan that had this before, so that's number 3. Being able to move this wherever you want. And this works for the mist as well. So when you have the mist going, you could change the direction. If you want it just right there, a little more over here, you could just move that however you want it. And it's really, really nice. And you can see up there, you got the ambient mode as well. So if you are looking for a great indoor, outdoor fan that is weather resistant, 42 inches high, easy to move, has that mist mode, this is an amazing fan for your patio. Has 12 different speeds, 4 different modes. You could control it 3 different ways. You got the remote, the app, and then up top over there. You'll absolutely love this fan. It comes in all different colors. If you don't like this color, you could do that. And it also comes in some different features as well if you want to look into that. Really, really like this a lot. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I hope you find the best fan for you.